Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 CFMoto CForce 400S. This 4x4 quad has fuel injectant, electric start, four-wheel independent suspension, CVT automatic transmission, automotive paint, beautiful condition, only less than 4 hours on the engine, and this bike's under factory warranty until December of next year. Come on by, make your quad dreams come true for just $45.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.